Your home is a sanctuary where you can relax, enjoy time with friends and family, a place to grow and create memories. But while you progress in life, you want your house to do the same. HomeTech Construction and Design have been remodeling homes on the West Coast for over 14 years. HomeTech is a green company focused on providing energy-efficient and sustainable houses with longevity in mind so you can be confident investing in your home. At HomeTech, we do the most for every client, tailoring the design to match your taste as well as your budget without sacrificing personal style and satisfaction. HomeTech uses cutting-edge technologies to design and visualize your remodel so you have peace of mind even before construction begins. From design and architecture to construction and finishes, HomeTech has you covered. Kitchen, bathroom, roof, patio, and more. We will provide you with all of your home remodeling needs. You can get the home you've always wanted, and we can help you create it.